Hi, Dobby here, and welcome to What's in My Toolbox.
In today's video, I'm going to be showing this Kezkals LED magnetic pickup tool. It comes in this little box. Inside we have the light and 4 spare batteries. Here's a bit of a closer look at you. On the top end we have the light. There's 3 LEDs inside there, if you can see that, as well as the magnet. Then we have the button and the pocket clip, and on the bottom end we have another magnet which you can use to stand this on. It stands up quite sturdy on its own, but it's got a magnet to hold onto other stuff. It has quite a cool party trick. It can extend, so if you pull up the light end, it's got a nice extendable, and then it's got a flexy bit at the end. You can see nice flex on it. The light is fairly bright. I'll give you a little display in the dark in just a moment. And it slides very nicely. There's a 10mm socket. As you can see, it picks it up really firmly. The amount of times this has saved me when I've dropped these 10mm sockets. They fall off, fall down the back of the engine. You just quickly whip it out. And then you can reach down, grab it up. Use the light if you need to see where it is. It's a fairly robust magnet too, as you can see. Picks up this relatively easily if you don't want to let it go. Even then, like, it's just holding on by a tiny bit, but it's still holding on. Here we have 2 bolts that come out the flywheel of my Citroen. As you can see, picks them both up perfectly easily. So when it's closed up, it's fairly compact at 17 centimeters, maybe 17.5 centimeters long. And you can see the magnet's got stuck to the end of the tape measure. When fully extended, it's going to be a bit more of a difficult thing to show you on the camera, but I'll do my best. Let me reel the end there, and I'll put this on this one end. It comes to 57 centimeters, so you get an extra 40 centimeters of length, which is not bad. Nice solid clicks. The cool feature about this is you can magnet the base to something, and lift it up, and then fold it over. You can see that in the shot. You get a nice little work light, as you can see here. Fold it over. Imagine this was magneted down to like the engine bay. You could magnet it down and then use this as a nice little extra light you can direct into areas you'd like to look at. And here's the light. As you can see, it's quite a spread out light, but as you get closer to the thing, it's more pinpoint. Like I said, it's got the flex on it, so you can really narrow down on stuff. As you can see, there's a bolt, and you just pop. And here's a very close-up view of the light. Nice little nailing to help keep your grip. And then there's the logo. And then there's a close-up view of the pocket clip. Let me go a bit higher. And then there's the on and off button. Finally up to the top, where we meet the business end where the LEDs are. You can see there's 3 LEDs in there. And then if we turn it on, fairly bright. So my final thoughts on this lights are, it's useful, it's an absolute lifesaver. I mean, I've lost count of the amount of times it's saved me doing jobs. I did a fuel injector on the Citroen not too long ago, and the flare nut slid down the pipe down to the back of the engine that I could not reach with my bare hands, so I had to use this. hooked on there, pulled it straight back up, and absolutely saved the day. Of that, the torch is good. It's not the brightest light, but it does the job. Like when you're looking in a tight dark space, it'll really be really helpful. Yeah, overall, a good little light. Very thankful to the other half for buying it for me.
Thanks for watching until the end. If you'd like to see more from me, please sub to the channel, drop me a like and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Once again, thank you for watching Dobby's Repairs. Have a great day.